Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how we can use if-else statement in Excel VBA. This is the Excel sheet that I have opened. If the developer tab is not displaying on your Excel sheet, then click on file menu, then click on options, then click on customize ribbon. Here is an option named as developer. It has been tick marked. And if this is not tick marked, then tick mark it and click on OK. Then the developer tab will get activated on the Excel sheet. Now we'll open the Visual Basic window. For opening Visual Basic window, you can press Alt F11 on the keyboard, or you can click here on developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. This is the Visual Basic window. First of all, we will take a module. For this we will have to click on insert menu. This is the insert menu. Click here, take a module. You can rename it here. You can give any name to it. Press enter. This has been renamed as test. Here we will write the code. First of all, show procedure shop if-else statement. Press enter. First of all, I will declare a variable dim x as integer, for x equal to 227, and the for statement next x. Here we will give some conditions. If cells here row index x and column 1 dot value equal less than 30, then first of all, friends, I am placing the two windows side by side. Each one also have a local window. Click on view, then click on local window. You can see here how the codes are being executed. So friends, this is the sheet. This is percentage and this is result. Here I have written x row index equal to x and column 1. This row, this column and row dot value less than 30. Then we want to display the result cells x comma column 2 dot value. What do we want to display? We want to display the result. If the percentage is less than 30, then it will be treated as fail. So here we will write fail. First of all, and if right here, and if else if we will put here another condition. Copy this particular line from here, copy this one and paste here. If cells column 1 row x column 1 dot value greater than equal to 30, then it will be treated as pass. So we'll write the code cells x row, for row we'll write here x, for column we'll write here 2 dot value equal to pass. And if Now we will check the coding part, whether the code is right or not. So for checking the coding part, you can press F8 on the keyboard, or you can also press this icon. This is step information. You can also click here so that you can check this particular coding whether it is right or not. So click here, or you can press F8 on the keyboard. You can see this particular thing or the execution of code on the local window also. First, what will happen? It has printed a fail because in first case the condition is true, it is less than 30, so it has printed fail. Next, it will again go to the first condition and check the condition. It will come down to x now, then go to first condition, and again it will check whether the condition is true or false. Then it will execute the code. The condition here, it will check the condition is true, so it will execute the code. So it has printed pass here. Then it will come to next x. Then it will go to the first condition and check the condition, if the condition is true or false. If false, then it will come to the next if else statement. So it has come to else statement, then it will check whether the condition is true or false, then execute the code. It will check, then execute the code. Yes, it is greater than 35, so it will print here pass. Click on F8 on keyboard, or you can click here. So it has printed pass. Then it will again go to the first condition, and then it will check whether it is true or false. It is false because it is 29. So it will execute this particular code, and a fail will be written here. Press here, fail has been written here. Then it will come to the next x, and again it will go to first statement, if statement, and check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will be executed. This code will be executed. Yes, it is true, so it will be executed, and then it will print fail here. So click here, it has been printed fail in the column 2. Then it will go to the next x. Then it will again go to the first condition and check the condition. If the condition is true, then in this code will be executed. Click here. So the condition first in this case was false, so it will come down. It has come down for else statement. Then it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then this particular code will be executed and result will be printed here. You can see right now the result has been printed as pass. Then it will come down to next if, next x, ends up. There is no more condition to check, then it will out of the condition. In this way, friend, we can use if else statement in Excel VBA. This was a basic video regarding use of if else statements in Excel VBA. In the next video, we will discuss in detail about how we can use effectively if else statement in Excel VBA. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.